Your ads aren't the problem. And I know that's not what you want to hear after spending thousands on a new campaign, but this is what most CMOs won't tell you. Better ads cannot fix a broken business model. And if you're hemorrhaging money right now, this might be why. I'm Amanda, and as a CMO who scaled multiple 8 and 9 figure brands, I've seen this pattern destroy more businesses than bad ads ever could. So let me show you the 3 signs that your problem isn't your creative. All right, sign number 1. Your customer acquisition cost is fine, but your lifetime value is terrible. If you're acquiring customers profitably, but they never buy again, no ad is going to save you. I once worked with a supplement brand spending $50,000 a month on ads, constantly tweaking creative, testing new angles. Their CAC was actually decent at $35, but their average customer bought once and then completely disappeared. The problem wasn't the ad that brought them in. It was the product experience, the email flows, the retention strategy that did not exist. We paused all new creative testing for 60 days. Scary, I know. And we focused entirely on the post purchase experience. 6 months later, LTV tripled, and suddenly those same mediocre ads were printing money. Sign number 2. You're getting clicks and traffic, but your conversion rate is horrible. If people are clicking your ads but not buying, your offer is the issue, not your audience targeting. I see this all the time, constantly. Business owners convince themselves they need better ad copy when their landing page looks like it was built in 2003 or their price point makes no sense for the market. This is the reality check you need. If your site converts under 1%, it does not matter how good your ads are. You're just like paying people to show why they shouldn't buy from you. Fix the offer, fix your landing page, make the value proposition crystal clear. Then your ads will work. Sign number 3, you're in a race to the bottom on price. If the only way your ads work is by discounting deeper than your competitors, you do not have an ads problem. You have a positioning problem. Brands that scale profitability don't win on price. They win on value, on story, on what makes them different. If you can't explain why someone should pay more to buy from you, your ads will always underperform because you're forcing them to do all the heavy lifting of justifying your total existence. The best ad in the world can't manufacture a unique selling proposition that doesn't freaking exist. So here's what I want you to do. Okay. Before you hire another agency, before you spend another dollar on creative testing, audit these 3 things: your retention metrics, your conversion rate, and your positioning. Because this is what I've learned after spending over $50 million in ad budget. The businesses that scale are not the ones with the best ads. They're the ones with the best foundations. Fix the foundations first, then your ads will do what they're supposed to do. Amplify what already works. If this helped you, subscribe for more real talk on scaling your brand and stop blaming your ads and your media buyers. I'm Amanda Catarzi, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.